Good morning everyone. Welcome to JBS online classes. Myself Shipra Saxena. Today I am going to explain you about the holiday homework of English, Maths, Hindi, GK and rhymes and stories. Let's start. Tips of summer break. First I am requesting to the parents, please read these points thoroughly and explain your child and tell your child to follow it. Okay? This is the content of summer holiday homework. Let's start with subject English. Oral, phonic A to Z. Please give revision of phonic sound A to Z. Book 1. Revise all pre-writing strokes on page number 2 to 14. Book 1. Read page 16, 17, 18, 19. These pages are related to letter A. Written work. English copy letter capital A, small a on 2 pages. I want to inform you that all the written work of English, Maths, Hindi should be done in fair copy accordingly. Now come to the math holiday homework. Oral, counting 1 to 10. Concept of left and right. You can ask your child which is your left hand and which is your right hand. Color red and green. You can show the objects of red and green and ask your child to recognize the color. Shape triangle and square. Written work of maths. 1 page for number 1, 1 page for number 2, 1 page for number 3, 1 page for number 4 and 1 page for number 5. Total 5 pages will be there. Now come to the Hindi holiday homework. मौखिक आ से आह कविताओं के साथ. लिखित एक पृष्ठ पर अ अनार आ आम, एक पृष्ठ पर इ इमली ई ईख और एक पृष्ठ पर उ उल्लू ऊ ऊन. Now come to the GK holiday homework. Learn the assignments provided. We have already provided assignments for these topics. All about me, my favorite things, parts of the body. Please give practice of these assignments to your child. Now come to the rhymes and stories homework. In book 1, rhyme my red balloon, brush your teeth, you put your right hand, and in book 2, dhobi aaya. Revise these rhymes in proper rhythm and please you can take help of previous videos which we have already provided for these rhymes. Stories in book 1, The Caterpillar and the Monkeys, The Dog and its Reflection. In book 2, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Give revision of these stories and take help of previous videos. Now I am going to explain you how you have to mention the notebooks. First I am requesting to the parents, please use only blue pen for mention all the notebooks. And notebooks should be well covered and name slip should be here. And on the first page of the notebook, please mention name of your child, class, section, subject, etc. And from the next page, start mentioning. Parents, please use only blue pen for mentioning. This is English notebook. At the top of the page, please mention the heading Holiday Homework. You have to mention the notebook as I am showing here, like this. First, write capital A and small a in big font. Then write phonic sound also. A says A. Then please draw picture also. A says A apple, A arrow. You can see here are 2 lines for capital A and 2 lines for small a. Between the letters, draw lines with the help of ruler. For capital A, in one line, here are 3 dots, and in one line, here is single dot. And for small a, in one line, here are 2 dots, and in one line, here is single dot. Please give the dots as I am showing here. At the bottom of the page, in the last line, mention the remark and signature. Like this, mention this page. Now mention second page. Write the HW at the right side of the corner, at the top of the corner. Here also 2 lines for capital A and 2 lines for small a. On this page, give only single dots for all the letters. And write remark and signature at the bottom of the page. After mentioning, ask your child to identify the letter and phonic sound also and pictures also. And encourage your child to complete the work in proper formation. For explanation of the formation, you can check the previous videos on Google Classroom or YouTube. These 2 pages written work should be done in Fair English notebook. Now come to the math subject. This is math notebook. At the top of the page, mention the heading Holiday Homework. Then write number 1 in big font and write means one thing. And draw one picture, as you can see here. Then write number 1 with 1 dot. And write number 1 like this and give 1 dot. Same you have to mention. Then ask your child to complete the work with proper formation. Now mention the next page. Here you should mention number 2. Write number 2 in big font. Then write means 2 things and draw 2 pictures. As I have drawn here 2 ice creams. Then mention write number 2 with 1 dot. In one line, you have to write number 2 with blue pen and give 1 dot only. Then ask your child to identify the number, to count the things and write the number 2 with proper formation. On the next page, mention number 3. Write the number 3 in big font and write means 3 things and draw 3 pictures, as you can see here. Then write number 3 with 1 dot. In one line you have to mention number 3, as you can see here, and give the single dot. And ask your child to identify the number, count the things and complete the work with proper formation. On the next page, you have to mention number 4. Write number 4 in big font. Then draw 4 pictures and write means 4 things. Then write number 4 with 1 dot. In one line, you have to mention number 4 with proper formation, then give the single dots. On the dot, child can easily write number 4. Ask your child to speak the formation also. On the next page, you have to mention number 5. Write number 5 in big font, then draw 5 pictures, then write means 5 things. Then write number 5 with 1 dot. In one line, you have to mention the number 5 with proper formation and give the single dots. And ask your child to identify the number and count the pictures and write the number on the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 pages written work should be done in Fair Notebook of Maths. And explanation of numbers, you can check the previous videos. Now come to the Hindi subject. At the top of the page, write the heading Avkash Grih Karya, and at the right side top of the corner, write HW. Here are 2 lines for anar and 2 lines for aam. Same you have to mention and give single dot on the blue line. And tell your child to identify the akshar and complete the work with proper formation. On the next page, you have to mention 2 lines for imli and 2 lines for eek and give 1 dot on the blue line. Now come to the next page. On this page, you have to mention 2 lines for ullu and 2 lines for oon and give single dots on the blue line. These 3 pages should be done in Hindi Fair Notebook. Come to the GK subject. In GK, we have provided you 3 assignments, 1, 2 and 3. Learn all these assignments and please make sure your child should give the answer in full sentence. Just like you will ask, what is your name? Your child should speak full sentence. My name is this. Learn all these questions. My favorite things. This is the second assignment. Here, ask the child about the favorite things. Like, what is the favorite fruit? Your child should give the answer in full sentence. My favorite fruit is this. Give practice of all these questions. This is the third assignment and the topic is the part of the body. You can use gesture to make your child learn this assignment easily. Now come to the stories assignments. We have done 3 stories: The Cap Seller and the Monkeys, The Dog and Its Reflection, and The Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. Learn these stories and take the help of previous videos. Students, complete your holiday homework well on time. Happy holidays to all. Thank you.